Good morning to you all. Today I want to discuss artificial intelligence. It is a skill course offered by CBSE for the students from classes 6 to 12. It will be offered for classes from 6 to 8 for 12 hours. It will have 15 marks for theory and 35 marks for practicals. For classes 9th and 10th, it will have 50 marks for theory and 50 marks for practical. For classes 11th and 12th, it will have 50 marks for theory and 50 marks for practical also. CBSE have issued curriculum for class 8th and 9th. It has the objectives: number 1, to help learners to understand the world of artificial intelligence and its application through games, activities, and multi-sensorial learning to become artificial intelligence ready. Second is to introduce learners to 3 domains of artificial intelligence in an age-appropriate manner. Third, to allow learners to construct meaning of artificial intelligence through interactive participation and engaging hands-on activities. For classes 9th and 10th, it has additional activities such as artificial intelligence project cycle and introducing the learners to programming skill, that is basic Python coding language. After the study of artificial intelligence, the learning outcome expected is that students relate, apply and reflect on the human-machine interactions. It is also expected to gain awareness about artificial intelligence bias and artificial intelligence access, and to develop artificial intelligence skill among students. CBSE will start this course from the session 2021-22. Now I wish to introduce what artificial intelligence is. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science dealing with the simulation of intelligent behavior in computer. We may also define the capability of machine to imitate intelligent human behavior. Artificial intelligence has been an upcoming element business have been using to make everyday process easier and less time consuming. Artificial intelligence can affect the company in different ways. Artificial intelligence can support business needs by automatic business processes, gaining insights through data analysis and engaging customers and employees. Process automation is the most common type. It would be transferring data from emails into records. Artificial intelligence is now being used not only in manufacturing but in all departments of business. The way we communicate has changed over the years. The social media has changed the way the world interacts with each other. The humans have also interacted with each other through dialogues, but there is no question that the platform we now use have taken communication to the next level. Social media have changed the way that human interacts with each other. It is important for the business to use social media in overall business strategy. Social media is a free platform where business can use it for marketing and public relations. It touches almost every aspect of a business, from customer service to a business technology department within the natural world. People all over the world use social media all day. Through social media, they are able to reach many people at one time without spending money. At present, the role of artificial intelligence is large in business as well as in all establishments. CBSE have introduced this skill course for the student to fulfill the demand of industry. It is very important for all students that they use artificial intelligence for brainstorm and on ethical issues involved around the problems selected. It is also used to understand and appreciate the concept of neural network through communication and to learn basic programming skill through gamified platform. It is also used to acquire the introductory Python programming skill in a very user-friendly format. It is also used to use various type of graphs to visualize acquired data. It is also used to understand and visualize computers' ability to identify alphabets and handwritings. It is most important subject for the present time, and all students must opt and learn artificial intelligence as a skill subject for their study. All must know that it will help them in many ways. It is a new subject in the field of computer education. We need it, and we are going to start in a session 2021-22. It will solve several problems of ours in the present environment. All students may go through the CBSE website www.cbseacademic.nic.in/skill-education.html for details of this course. I wish you a bright future. Thanks.